Okay, so to get this on, if I do a short piece, it's pretty tough because you got to hook it here. And then I have a little pry bar here. And what you want to do is pull and push in like this and lock that on like that. And you're going to have to work it down like a Ziploc bag. And then once it's on, you can slide it up to where it needs to be.
Here it is again with the pry bar.
Yeah, so hook the one side and then get your pry bar in here between the siding and the corner, and you just push and you hold that until it locks. Another question we have is how to splice our half round log corners. To do so, you'll install your upper piece. Your lower piece, you'll measure that to length, add about 1 inch. After doing that, you'll measure 3/4 of an inch down on both sides, do a little trim, and cut the locking flanges back also. Once that's done, you'll come over to your corner, you'll lock it into place, and then you'll push these two together. Once it's up like that, go ahead and put a screw through the corner into one of the pieces of siding to hold it in place.